Welcome to TechScope TV. Today we're diving into three of the most talked about smartwatches of 2025. The Apple Watch Series 10, Samsung Galaxy Watch 7, and Xiaomi Watch S3. Which one offers the best features, battery life, and value for your money? Let's break it down and find out which smartwatch is right for you. The Apple Watch Series 10 pushes the limits of wearable technology. With advanced health sensors like blood pressure, body temperature, and heart rate tracking, it's designed for those who take wellness seriously. The Ultra Retina display is brighter and more efficient than ever. And the slim, lightweight design feels great on the wrist. Battery life up to 36 hours. If you're an iPhone user, this is the smartwatch to beat. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 is the top choice for Android users in 2025. Its upgraded bioactive sensor monitors your heart rate, blood oxygen, stress levels, and more, all in real time. With a sleek design, smooth performance, and up to 3 days of battery life, it's perfect for daily wear and fitness tracking. Smart, stylish, and reliable, just how a modern smartwatch should be. Looking for a budget-friendly smartwatch without sacrificing quality? Meet the Xiaomi Watch S3. It features a vibrant AMOLED display, global GPS, and a battery that lasts up to 10 days. It tracks your heart rate, sleep, and daily activity. And its sleek design fits both casual and sporty looks. Affordable, functional, and surprisingly powerful for its price, so, which smartwatch fits your lifestyle best? Whether it's the premium Apple Watch Series 10, the feature-packed Samsung Galaxy Watch 7, or the budget-friendly Xiaomi Watch S3, there's something for everyone in 2025. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest tech reviews. This is TechScope TV, where technology meets clarity. See you in the next video.